Hey there! So, let's tackle a common problem that you might encounter when working with data. The problem we have at hand involves renaming columns in a data frame and then collapsing them based on similar names to sum the values. It's a situation where you want more concise column names and aggregated results in a clean format. Now, diving into the solution provided, we start by creating a dictionary that groups the columns to aggregate. By extracting the suffixes from the column names, we form the dictionary structure. This step is crucial in preparing the data for the upcoming aggregation process. Moving on to the highlighted solution snippet, we see the code in action. By using the pl.sum horizontal function in combination with a list comprehension, we selectively aggregate the group columns based on their suffixes. This approach streamlines the process of summing the values across similar columns, resulting in a compact and structured output. Continuing with the same approach, the resulting data frame achieves the desired outcome. The columns are now renamed to more concise labels and aggregated effectively, providing a clear and summarized view of the data. In wrapping up, this solution offers a systematic way to handle column renaming and aggregation in a data frame. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and analyze your data, ensuring clarity and ease of interpretation. Remember, when in doubt, simplify and consolidate for a smoother data processing experience. And as always, if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you next time for more data adventures.